Hello everyone, welcome to Lee Dynasty Kitchen. Did you remember this machine, 8 inches? We have shared with you before how to make the rice roll, and I have a very good result about how you like this machine. Today, with the same concept, I'm going to share with you how to make the rice roll with the little gadget. 4 inches, can you believe it? It's very cute, very fast, and very easy to make. If you love the 8 inches, you're gonna love this one even more, I promise. It's very fast to do, very easy, and the taste is so delicious. In this video today, I'm gonna share with you how to make the filling also. So please join me, coming with Lee Dynasty Kitchen, to see how easy and how fast to make the rice roll with 4 inches machine. Look at the rice roll we just made with the 4 inches machine. It's beautiful, isn't it? Not just only beautiful, but it tastes very yummy. Leftover rice roll can be warmed up in the microwave. Very good still. To make the mix for the rice roll, there are 2 ways to make. The first one, you can use the Vinh Thuan powder. 1 bag of Vinh Thuan powder you can mix with 1200 ml water. Leave it overnight. And the next day, you just scoop out the water on top and replace the same amount you will take it out. And the other way you can use is 3 cups of warm water, and then add it on 1 bag of rice flour equal with 400 grams. Okay, stir it up and add 150 grams of tapioca starch. Okay, after that, just stir it up. Then you will add 7 cups of cold water. Okay, 7 cups of cold water. Stir it up. Then after that, you will add on about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and a pinch of salt. This step you can do it after, when you put in the fridge overnight, after you scoop out the water on top and replace with the same amount you take it out. And stir up the whole thing, and you can put in the fridge for overnight, or at least 4 to 5 hours. And also today I'm going to share with you how to make the filling for the rice roll. Today I'm going to use 1,300 grams of ground pork, 1 large onion chopped, 40 grams of black mushroom soaked in the water and then cut small pieces. And we have 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of pepper and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Okay, so we're going to start to fry the filling for the rice roll. First of all, we're going to add the cooking oil into the pan, alright, and we add garlic. Fry the garlic until it's get it golden brown a little bit. Then you will add all the meat to the pan. Okay, and you see when you put it on, the meat gonna be stick together like that. It will be so you gonna fry it. Just fry it and press it down as you fry to make sure all the meat they loosen up. Okay, they won't stick together anymore, because with the filling, the rice roll should be dry. Okay, so just keep frying with that. And as you can see, when you fry, you will see a lot of water. So no worries. They will dry it up eventually. Okay. Add salt and continue to fry. Oyster sauce. See, as you can see now, it's lots of water. But do not worry, because it will dry it up. So that's why when you fry the meat, just keep, spread it out so the meat all will be loosened up, not stick together anymore. You add sugar, you add pepper, oyster sauce, yeah, and keep frying it up until you can see no more water. Then you add the mushroom. Fry it up, yeah. Then the onion will be the last. That's it. You don't need to be too salty because we eat rice roll with the fish sauce. So that's it. We're ready, and we're gonna make the rice roll. To make rice roll, you're gonna need 1 or 2 machines. Okay, you can have the spatula like that and wrap with saran wrap. You will see how useful for that. Also the plate, I'm gonna put saran wrap around. This is gonna help to fold the rice roll. Use something little small to take out the crab or chopstick or whatever convenient. Wet 2 pieces of paper towel, 1 to hold the machine and 1 to clean your finger. So it's very easy and very, you don't have to make a lot of, too busy around the thing you do. Just simple like that. So before start to do the crab, always mix up the powder, then add it onto the machine. Don't make it too thick. Just do a little bit, and then after a few times, you will know how thick you like, and you can add or you can, that's no problem. Okay? So now we start to do it. Add the powder to the machine. Cover it down. Then when you do add the filling, you make 2, enough for 2 rice roll at the one time. Okay? Before you wrap the roll, open the lid of the machine. Fold it up. Very easy with the saran wrap, cover the plate. That's helped a lot. Now you take it out, the crab upside down. See, very nice, easy. There we go. And before you add the meat, you pour the powder into the machine. All right, and cover the lid. Then now you scoop the filling. Remember, 2 at a time. Enough filling for 2 roll. All right, and before you roll the crab, you open the lid. Roll it up, fold it up nicely. The reason I wrap the plate because it helps to pick up the roll and wrap very fast. Upside down and put it down. Add powder. Then you're gonna add the meat filling to the crab. See, it's very fast. Open the lid before you fold the crab. Clean your finger with the paper towel. It's very convenient. There we go. Now you take out the crab. Same thing, upside down. Just like that. Add the powder. Cover the lid. Then add the filling. 2 at a time. That's it. Then wrap, roll the crab, then take out the crab. Just the routine, just procedure, just like that. Okay, so now just please watch the video. You will see how it makes, and you know more and more to make it easy when you do it. So this is one bite rice roll we make from the 4-inch machine. As you can see, it's very fast, very easy. So you can have a plate of delicious rice roll homemade. So it's very, very fast and it tastes very yummy. And if you pay attention, you will see the filling I make today. I make a large amount because after I done, I will divide into the small portion and keep in the freezer. Each time, anytime I want to make rice roll, I have the fillings ready, so I don't have to make it every time. So it's up to you. You can adjust the amount you want. If you don't like to make that much, so just decrease the ingredient and you can have whatever you like. Look at this, the whole plate of rice roll made by 4-inch machine. It looks so yummy. Okay, so please check it out. My video sharing the sauces to eat with the rice roll, chicken sausage, pork sausage. So please check my video. Alright, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you like my share today. If you do, please give me the thumbs up. Okay, and I hope you enjoy it and will try it at home. Try to make so everybody can enjoy it. Thank you very much again, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support Lee Dynasty Kitchen. I will try my best to share more and more of delicious Vietnamese dishes so you can have a lot of way to make the Vietnamese food at home to enjoy. Thank you again for all your support Lee Dynasty Kitchen from day one. By subscribe so my channel can grow and I have more chance to create and share a lot of Vietnamese food so you can enjoy. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.